So, welcome to all of you to the home remedies of today topic, my dear friends. We will be understanding two mudras basically today. Number one, how to reduce the bad cholesterol. Which is the bad cholesterol? There are two types of cholesterols. Number one is HDL, second is LDL. HDL is always good. LDL is bad. LDL cholesterol is bad. HDL is always good. So now, how do you reduce this bad cholesterol? That is LDL. Friends, if you try to understand how do you reduce the LDL, basically, of course, your holistic lifestyle, all the holistic lifestyle food you must follow every day, whatever we have been knowing. And of course, you will be knowing many things. In the last batch students, they might have got already the idea about holistic lifestyle, holistic food. Okay, so all the holistic food practices. But let me tell you, you have to follow the holistic lifestyle, the chemical-free food, all that. And and also you have to reduce a great amount of intake of sugar. When you do that, then what will happen? Your cholesterol will also come down. Okay, those are the techniques. Those are the principles we need to follow as a part of our food. Okay, so as part of our food we have to follow. But other than that, so there is a mudra which is very much going to be working to reduce the bad cholesterol in your physical body, my dear friends. So that mudra is called Surya Mudra. Okay. So you can practice the Surya Mudra, my dear friends. So practice the Surya Mudra. So this mudra, you can practice Surya Mudra. Surya Mudra is nothing but it is going to, what it does, Surya means sun, equal to, that is nothing but a sun. So the sun energy, it means heat. Heat in your physical body will be raised. Your Prithvi element, earth element will be reduced, and your heat element in the physical body will be raised when you do this mudra, isn't it? So that way, what will happen? By raising the heat in your physical body, what it does, any kind of a fat, any kind of a cholesterol, whatever the extra cholesterol, all this fat, all the fat, whatever it is there, is going to be melted. Is going to be melted. So the heat is going to melt all these things. So that is why Surya Mudra is really a great help for the reduction of bad cholesterol, my dear friends. So that is why we need to understand this. So such is the power of Surya Mudra, my dear friends. So that's why, so all the time, remember this Surya Mudra is going to be much helpful. Any cholesterol, all the cholesterol will be taken care. At the same time, there are many other advantages also. Of course, obesity. Obesity also, this mudra is also going to work for obesity, but I'm going to teach you one more combination of other mudras for obesity separately here after this subject, okay, after this topic. So now, so what will happen is any kind of intolerance for a cold and shivering. For example, I am feeling a lot of cold and shivering within my physical body. What should I do? I just do this Surya Mudra. I raise my temperature, so I'll come out of this shivering and cold also, isn't it? So the same way, if I have a loss of appetite, indigestion, constipation, even in that condition also, this Surya Mudra is going to work in a great way, my dear friends. Any kind of a cold problems like a cough, tuberculosis, cold, sinusitis, pneumonia, so all these things, all this asthma, in all these conditions, if you start doing the Surya Mudra, it's going to do wonders, my dear friends. That's how. So how do you practice this Surya Mudra? Okay, see, the both hands must be cleaned, isn't it? So we have to clean the both hands and no more nails no more nails. Okay, now, so just observe me. So especially this ring finger, slowly bring it to at the beginning of the thumb. Beginning of the thumb. You see here. Okay, after that, thumb has to be on the top of the ring finger, like the touch. Okay, gently. So this is the mudra. This mudra is called Surya Mudra. Okay, Surya Mudra. So this Surya Mudra has to be practiced for 50 minutes. If somebody is having a problem of bad cholesterol, the doctors tell that, you have cholesterol and all these things. Practice for 50 minutes. Okay, at one sitting. Number of sittings, that is up to you, your time availability. Okay, so this is the Surya Mudra. So keep like this and keep on the thighs and practice. Keep on thighs and practice for 50 minutes. Now, after following this mudra, Prana Mudra must be practiced. What is the Prana Mudra? This is the Prana Mudra. This is the Prana Mudra. has to be practiced for 15 minutes. Keep like this, keep on the thighs. Again, 15 more minutes you have to practice. So this is about Surya Mudra and Prana Mudra, which is going to work definitely a great way for the reducing of bad cholesterol, especially LDL, my dear friends. Now, welcome to the another mudra, which is called weight loss mudra. Weight loss mudra. The combination of three mudras is going to give a great, wonderful result for your weight loss, especially obesity control, my dear friends. Obesity control. So let's see what are these. How do we practice this? See, the combination of Surya mudra, Shankha mudra. Already I told you about Surya mudra. Now Shankha mudra is also there. Prana mudra is there. Combination of Surya mudra, Shankha mudra, Prana mudra. Surya mudra for 30 minutes, Shankha mudra for 30 minutes. After that, Prana mudra for 10 minutes. So in this combination, if you practice one time, two times, three times per day, so your weight is going to be reduced. Your obesity is going to be controlled very much, my dear friends. So that is why it's very, very powerful mudra. Let me tell you. So there's a great advantage of this mudra. So how do you practice? Now, practicing of Surya mudra, my dear friends. Practicing of Surya mudra, we have already seen. Now, so that is practicing of Surya mudra. Okay, practice Surya mudra. This is one. Now, Shankha mudra. How do you practice of Shankha mudra? See here. Now, keep this right hand like this. So, take your left thumb, touch the base of the right thumb. Touch the base of right thumb like this. Keep at the base of the first thumb. Your left thumb must be at the base of the right thumb. Keep it here. That is thyroid point, thyroid gland point. Now close your all fingers onto the left thumb covering. Okay. Now touch your forefinger of left hand, the index finger to the thumb of the right hand. Then all other three fingers on the back of the palm. See, this is called Shankha mudra. It's called Shankha mudra, my dear friends. Observe here, Shankha mudra. Okay. So once again, see here like this. Take the left thumb. This is the right hand thumb, the beginning of right hand thumb, base of the thumb. With this thumb, you just touch here and keep it like this. Then close all the four fingers covering the left hand thumb. Then your left hand index finger and right hand thumb, both tips must be joined. Okay. And after that, these three fingers will be on the back of this. This is called Shankha mudra. How it looks? Like a Shankha. You know Shankha? We use Shankha for making sounds, isn't it? So you have to keep on the thighs and practice. Okay. Now, so friends, the Shankha mudra is so powerful. Okay. So what is the meaning of Shankha? So with Shankha, we do a lot of sound, isn't it? Sound waves. What does that do? The sound waves, when we make sounds, the sound waves will go and kill all the negative elements in that vicinity. That is why in the olden days, even the temples now also, they used to put the Shankha. They make sound with that Shankha. So it's very, very, so we, always we try to feel that it is so sacred tradition in our Hindu philosophy, my dear friends. Okay. So that's how the Shankha mudra. So what exactly Shankha mudra does is, so it put a pressure on the thyroid point. Here is the thyroid point. It by this, it will put some pressure will be applied on the thyroid point here. Thyroid gland is there. Okay. So with this, what will happen is this is get activated. Once the thyroid get activated, your hormonal imbalance will go. Thyroid problem will go. The moment thyroid problem will go, your obesity will come down. Okay. So this is how it is going to work. It's a wonderful mudra, my dear friend. At the same time, try to remember this mudra is going to purify 72,000 nerves which are connected to your navel. Your navel has got the connectivity of 72,000 nerves. From all parts of the body, it comes and end there. Okay. So by doing this mudra, all the 72,000 nadis will be purified. Understand what kind of science, such a great science which is invented by our rishis, mudra therapy, my dear friends. Okay. And also, so this mudra makes your voice melodious and clean also. That's why this mudra must be practiced by most of the speakers and most of the musicians, vocal singers, all these people. You must keep doing this. Whoever is going to give more and more speech, always try to do the Shankha mudra, which is going to improve a lot, my dear friends. At the same time, so anybody who is suffering with the stammering problems, all these things, so definitely you can use this. your all throat problems, your tonsil problems, tonsils and throat problems will be easily removed. Okay, and at the same time, this helps especially increasing the height in the children. If the children start practicing this, their height will be increased, my dear friends. So even certain extent, what will happen is going to help you for a paralytic attack. For example, paralysis attack happened. The speech is not coming. The speech is not coming properly. Please use this mudra. Please use this mudra minimum 3 times per day. So whatever the way I told you. So in that aspect, what will happen? You don't need to practice the Surya Mudra. With all these things, I'm telling about Shankha Mudra. What are the benefits, other benefits of Shankha Mudra? I'm trying to tell you. So in only Shankha Mudra and Prana Mudra, followed by Prana Mudra, you practice, all these great other benefits are going to be received by you. Okay, my dear friends. So by practicing in this combination, your weight loss will be ensured and your weight loss will happen. So we keep practicing this. Okay, this is what about the weight loss mudras. So thank you, my dear friends. So we have discussed all the topics today. We have covered all the topics. And thank you very much from Mahavatar Foundation, Mahavatar TV, our YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. So namaste to all of you. Dhanyavad.